this?
I'm so ready.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Small Gene snuck off to the city, strung out on lasers, slashback blazers, and ate all your razors while pulling the waiters, talking about Monroe and walking on Snow White. New York's a go-go and everything takes flight. Poor little greenie. Get back on. Genie lives on his back. The Genie loves chimney stacks. He's outrageous, he screams and he bones. The Genie, let yourself go. He sits like a man, but he smiles like a reptile.